slow, heavy breathing, the sound of a ticking engine. Listen, we've all been there. You're staring at a problem that's, well, it's basically a death sentence. But your brain? Your brain is telling you, hey, hold on a second, I think I can make this work. Meet Jax. Jax drives a 1992 hatchback that's held together by prayer, duct tape, and pure, unadulterated stubbornness. He's sitting at the edge of Dead Man's Ridge. Below him, a gap in the mountain road that looks like it was carved out by a frustrated god. It's wide, it's deep, and at the bottom, nothing but jagged rocks and a very, very long drop.